Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have three internship opportunities and let's see it one by one. The first internship opportunity is from Ninjacart and it is a Data Analyst Intern role and the job location is Bangalore. Now let's see the responsibilities. You should have a strong interest in data analytics and a passion for learning new skills. You should have a basic knowledge of Python, SQL, and Excel. You should have a good understanding of statistics and data visualization, and you should have a problem solving mindset and keen attention to detail. You should also have a good communication and presentation skill, and you should be minimum available for 4 months. Now, let's see the second internship opportunity. The second internship opportunity is from BCG and it is a intern role. It is a tech contractual role and the job location is New Delhi. Now, let's see about the personal attributes required for this role. You should be self motivated and reliable, stakeholder and client management skills, interpersonal communication skill and email skills, organized, detail oriented, and analytical. You should strong eye for a digital design, high level of initiative and resourcefulness, and you should be collaborative, positive team play with the ability to navigate diverse teams across the different geographies. Now, let's see the technical attributes required for this role. You should have QA automated testing, HTML, CSS technical attributes for this role. Now, let's see about the experiences and the qualifications required for this role. The preference for someone working on BS or BA in computer science or business information technology, and you should be preferably a rising junior or senior with a strong academic performance. You should be willing and ready to upskill quickly on Selenium with Java, testing, Cucumber framework, Git, Maven tool will be a plus. And you should have a prior work or internship experience. No website development experience is required, but design or blog creation experience along with understanding of digital marketing is a plus. You should have experience in Sitecore CMS tool is a plus and proficient in MS Office. You should be able to perform successfully in a fast paced, intellectual, intense, service oriented environment in line with BGC's conduct of code, and you should be able to work 15 to 20 work throughout the minimum duration of this internship. Now, let's see the second internship provided by BCG. It is also the same role, but it is a non tech contractual role, and the location is New Delhi for this role. Now, let's see the personal attributes required for this role. It is same as the previous role. Now, let's see the experience and qualifications required for this role. It is a preference for someone from marketing or communication with a strong technological aptitude, preferably a rising junior or senior with a strong academic performance. Also, a prior work experience or internship experience is required for this role. No website development experience is required, but design or a blog creation experience along with the understanding of digital marketing is a plus. And experience with Sitecore CMS tool is a plus. And you should be proficient in MS Office tool and able to perform successfully in a fast-paced, intellectual intense, service-oriented environment in line with BCG's code of conduct. And you should be able to work 15 to 20 weeks throughout the minimum duration of this internship. We have given the apply link in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.